Welcome. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to format numbers using Excel. There are many different ways you can format numbers. However, we're only going to look at the 6 most popular ways to format a number. Before we begin, let's take a look at the spreadsheet that I've created. This spreadsheet is tracking first quarter service receipts for 4 items that are part of this company. We're looking at 3 months, including a total for the quarter and then a percentage of sales. In addition, because the numbers are updated frequently, we are tracking the date and the time that the figures were updated. The number formats we're going to demonstrate in this video are 6: general, currency and accounting, date, time, and percentage. The general format is displayed in column B, cells B4 through B8. A general format has no specific characteristics, so that whatever you type in the cell will display. The only exception would be for trailing zeros to the right of a decimal point. Those zeros will not display. We're going to apply currency format to the numbers in cells C4 through C8. All of the formats for numbers can be found on the ribbon in the Home tab under the section called Number. We click on this drop-down arrow, we find the currency format and select it. And you can see that a currency format applies a 1,000 comma separator, a $ right next to the first number in each of the cells, and 2 decimal places. A format that is very similar to currency, but not identical, is the accounting format. We're going to apply the accounting format to the numbers in cells D4 through E8. I'm going to apply the accounting format in the same way I applied currency. Come up to my ribbon, click the drop down and choose accounting. The main difference between the accounting format and the currency format is that in the accounting format, the $ is placed on the left edge of each individual cell, whereas in currency, it's placed right next to the first number in each cell. You can see here that I have some pound signs that are displaying in cells E7 and E8. That's Excel's way of telling me that my column is not wide enough to display the numbers in those 2 cells. So I'm going to come up here and widen my column so that I can see those numbers more clearly. My next format is my percentage format. I'm going to take the numbers in cells F4 through F7, and I'm going to come back up here to my ribbon, click on the drop down, and format those as a percentage. When I do it that way, notice that my numbers are displayed in percentage format with 2 positions to the right of the decimal point. However, if I undo that and keep those cells selected, but come up here and do the shortcut, which is apply the percent style from this icon, it displays my percentages as a whole number with no decimal. I can change that by coming over here to this icon and increasing the decimal 1 place for each click. So now it looks like it did when I chose percentage from the menu here. It's just a different way to display your numbers. My last 2 formats are date and time. Remember that I've entered the date in cell B10. One way that I can change that format is by right-clicking, selecting Format Cells, and then choosing from a wide range of date formats. So we'll choose this one, for example, and click OK. That doesn't display the year, but it shows me the day first followed by the month. My time format works in a similar fashion. You can see the time is entered here. I can right click, select Format Cells, and choose from a wider range of time formats. If I want to display my time in military time, for example, I can select that, click on OK, and it's displayed based on a 24-hour clock. I hope that this video has been beneficial to you, and I hope that you'll spend some time playing around with the different types of formatting. Remember, go to the Home tab on your ribbon, the Numbers section, click on the drop down, and experiment with the many different types of formatting available for numbers in Excel.